Are you looking for the best prices on Pfeil tools carving? Here we will break down the top 6 prices on Pfeil tools carving on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. BeaverCraft S15 Whittling Wood Carving Kit. Consider for a moment what the best wood carving set should have, then take a look at what comes with BeaverCraft's ready-to-go set. Most items that you see in this set cost up to half the price for the entire kit. While their price is often congruent with their quality, some prefer to use cheaper options and just take really good care of the tools. I'm one of those people, I'll admit, and I'll tell you why I'm one of those people too. Because the tools will last just as long. 3 types of knives come with this set, including your main whittler, detail knife, and a hook knife for spoon carving. If you're at all familiar with BeaverCraft, the handles for their knives ran a little small before, but now they have extended. The improvement is a game changer. Additionally, the stropping kit is combined with the knives to keep your tools razor sharp and ready to use. It's worth noting that keeping your tools clean and sharp determine the length of its lifespan, not the price of the tool. It's important to have before you start carving, because something you'll figure out, if you haven't already, is that carving wood dulls out knives pretty quickly, which makes having a stropping kit necessary. Fortunately, BeaverCraft has blessed us with the convenience of this whole kit. The quality of blades run equal to the company's effort to inform carvers of the fundamental best practices for carving and how to take care of their tools. While it's great to see a company that makes a good product, it's even better to see a company that cares. At number 2. Xacto X5179 Carving Tool Set. The Xacto X5179 is a 3-dimensional carving set that consists of 6 tools. Each of the carving tools includes a forged steel head that can handle almost any type of wood and a durable hardwood handle that makes them comfortable to hold. You can use the carving tools to shape wood, the groove cut, and for deep relief cutting, hence making them very handy. The design, shape, and size of these blades make it possible to make precise and detailed cuts and do it consistently. Also, the blades will maintain their sharpness for long, and so you will not have to keep resharpening them. Despite the high-quality construction and choice of heavy-duty blade material, these carving tools are still very lightweight and hence easy to handle and with minimum hand fatigue. At number 3. SCHAAF Full-Size Wood Carving Tool Set. As you may notice from the pictures here, this is essentially a set of Pfeil lookalikes with a few small differences. For the most part, only professionals will notice these differences, so novice to intermediate carvers should find wood carving bliss here. Like the Pfeil set, each tool features an octagonal ash handle, square tang, and hardened chrome vanadium steel. The SCHAAF 12-piece wood carving set is a prime example of what a mid-range product should be. They are modeled after a very successful competitor design, with only subtle changes being made to lower the price and appeal to hobbyists. If you want to start somewhere in the middle, this is the set for you. At number 4. Puli Craft Wood Carving Knife Tool Set. If you're a collector of hobbies, you probably know that sometimes the best thing you can do for yourself and your wallet is to start small. With this complete wood carving set from Puli Craft, you can start with a small budget but carve with a large selection of tools and techniques to explore. The blades arrived fairly sharp, with even bevels and sturdy ferrules. I was able to get to work right out of the box. That's more than can be said even for some high-end carving tools. Beginners will appreciate the mallet and wet sharpening stone included in the set, which should both be used in some capacity if you want to experience the full potential of the set. The steel is softer than you'll find on a premium chisel or gouge, so frequent sharpening should be a part of your carving routine. This is a great product for anyone looking to just see what carving is all about or to use for one-time or infrequent projects. At number 5. SE7712WC. Starside makes this 12-piece set for both carvers and woodworkers. The high number of chisels and gouges means that with this set, you can tackle almost any project regardless of the scale. Starside makes the blades with hardened carbon steel that makes them very durable and helps to maintain their sharpness. The handles on these tools are quality polished wood that feels comfortable enough for the hand for extended use. Each of the carving tools has a total length of 203 mm and the handle is about 93 mm, which is a perfect size for your hand. These carving tools come in a plastic roll-up case that protects and makes them easy to store. Some of the tools that you get in this set include the 3 straight gouges, 1 bent chisel, 1 pointed chisel, a round nose chisel and a few others. This broad variety makes this set ideal for carvers, artists, carpenters and any other profession that involves shaping or carving wood. At number 6. Flexcut Carving Knives Starter Set. Best wood carving set for beginners to start off with. Comes with 3 different knives and razor sharp edge right out of packaging to begin. Granted, it doesn't come with a strop and compound to keep the knives sharp, but it comes razor sharp out of packaging. A huge advantage Flexcut has over many other knives is the shape of their handle. The wide middle body and tapered edge fits inside the hand in such a way that it would be a crime for a handle to be shaped any other way. It's almost like a car that's too comfortable to sit in because it's potentially hazardous. Reason being is if this is your first time carving, then you shouldn't worry about how something fits in your hand right away. Instead, you should focus on building your technique and taking proper care of your tools. Proper whittling kit for beginners are going to be much similar to what Flexcut has to offer in this kit. The high carbon steel blade is the preferred material type for blades. It puts up best with wood and it lasts a lot longer than steel does. If you take care of your tools, you won't run into any problems with shipping or edge folding. However, the blades are a partial tang, which means the blade is inserted into the handle then fastened in. Problem with partial tang is that after a while the blade might begin to feel loose. Fortunately, it is a quick and easy fix. Easily the best whittling kit for beginners and will remain a staple among other wood carving tools.